Monster G130 Party Speaker. Review: is this portable party speaker worth buying? Looking for a party speaker that delivers big sound, strong bass, and a lot of visual impact? The Monster G130 is designed for exactly that. But is it actually worth buying? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The Monster G130 is a large, Bluetooth party speaker designed for home parties, gatherings, and outdoor entertainment. Monster advertises up to 1,800 watts of power, although that figure isn't the same as a continuous RMS power rating, so it shouldn't be used alone to judge sound performance. The speaker offers Bluetooth connectivity for wireless streaming, along with FM radio and wired connection options. It also supports true wireless stereo, allowing two compatible G130 speakers to work together for a wider setup. For parties, one of the biggest attractions is the built-in lighting system. The lights can react to your music and provide different effects, making the speaker more than just an audio device. You can also control supported settings through Monster's Zone Control app. The G130 is technically portable, but it's a large and heavy party speaker compared with compact Bluetooth models. It makes more sense for a garage, backyard, living room, or party space than for carrying around all day. Another thing to remember is that maximum volume and advertised wattage don't automatically mean better sound quality. If you mainly care about detailed, balanced audio in a compact design, a smaller premium speaker could be a better choice. But if your priority is loud, party-focused sound, lighting effects, Bluetooth convenience, and a large speaker that can become the center of a gathering, the G130 has a lot going for it. Overall, the Monster G130 makes the most sense for party users who want a big, feature-packed speaker. Just don't buy it based on the wattage number alone. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you choose the Monster G130.